Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm very excited because I am finally launching my online shop, and I have the items that I'm going to be releasing today at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So the site is linked down in the description. I have a pretty small release because this is my first one, so I didn't want to like overload myself with inventory, and I wanted to kind of get an idea of what people were liking before I place another order. So I do plan on restocking these if they do sell out. And then I have some items that I made that I'm going to be selling as well. Again, a very limited amount of stuff, but you know, just trying to test it out and see what does well. And then mainly this release is just to finally get these wallets into people's hands, because I get questions about this wallet that I use all the time. I love it. It's so good. I actually got samples of other wallets from manufacturers in the past, and I was using them. I used it every single day, but it got a lot of wear and tear, so I really didn't like that. Like after a few months, it was already getting worn on the edges. And then I got this wallet, and this wallet has been holding up so well. The quality is really nice, and I feel like comfortable now like suggesting it to other people and offering it to sell to other people, since it is a really good wallet. So I'm gonna go over the wallet because there is a slight difference between the one that I have just color wise versus the ones that I'm going to be releasing, and then I will share the items I have here that I'm releasing as well. Okay, so as you can see, there are 4 colors that are being released. I have a white, the gray, pink, and black. I love all these colors. They're so good. But the gray, so if you watch my videos, I have a more tannish one. So let me get that one. So this is the wallet that I've been using, but for some reason they don't offer this color anymore. I don't know what happened. I guess they got rid of it by the time, like I said, I was using this for months and months before I even placed this order, before I knew that like this was a good wallet to use. And I think by the time I was ready to place, they changed the colorway on this. But honestly, I'm thinking I really like this a little bit better. So I just want to show the difference. So if you like this wallet, it's not going to be the same tone. This one's more gray, but it's really pretty. Okay, so the gray, and it's the same setup. It has the rings, a nice zipper little pouch here, pocket here, got a couple pockets here, and then the card slots, and then a nice big pocket. I really like this pocket right here. I use that one a lot. There's a little pen loop, which I need to remember to put a pen in mine. There are these little loops right here that you can attach a chain to it and even make it like a crossbody if you want to. For me, I don't feel comfortable doing that since it's open on the edge, but that is something you can do. Or you can put like little charms on here. I think I'm more open to that, doing that instead, because I think that would be cute. So this is the gray, and I went through all the wallets that I ordered, made sure everything looked good. These are the ones that kind of had little defects to it, so I'm holding on to these. But all the other ones looked pretty good. I made sure everything worked too, like all the zippers and the rings close very nicely. So here's the black. I'm loving the black. It's just it's so pretty. So that is the black one. This one had a little defect back here, so that's why I'm holding on to this one. But it's really pretty, this black one. And then this one's fun. It's a cute pink color. So here's the pink, the zipper, the inside pouch, and then white. This one, again, they're all pretty. They're all nice shades of color. So there's the white, very nice. Okay, so these are gonna go for $45 for this wallet. Again, these are really nice, sturdy wallets. I was really surprised when I got this as a sample, like the quality of it compared to the other ones I was using before. So yeah, really nice. So if you want to order, again, these are releasing at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time today. I have pretty small quantity, not small, it's limited. So if you want to get one, definitely check out that site at that time. But don't worry, I do plan on restocking, and I'm planning on growing the inventory on my site with other items too. So more to come. Just right now, I just wanted to start off with the wallet because I get lots of questions about the wallet, like where I got it. Okay, and then next I have like 3, I'm selling these in bundles. And so I have 3 different products that I'm going to be selling. 2 of them are placeholders. So I did just like very basic placeholders. Let's say $1,000, $500, and then I did a $100 one. So these are going to be sold in a pack of 3. A little bundle. And I made these, so I have like a little disclaimer saying, you know, they're all handmade, so of course they're not going to be perfect. I'm going to try to get them as close as possible and as best as I can, but you know, they are handmade, so be aware of that. But I think they're super cute. Oh, and I also made them so that way they're almost the size of a dollar, of the bill, because I like having them the same size as the money. So when I am, you know, when I have the placeholders with my cash, they kind of feel like the same in my hand. So I try to make them kind of close to the size. And then also I rounded the corners, because if you don't round the corners, they're very, very sharp. So they do all have rounded corners, just because I always poke myself with them, because I used to have them more of the straight edge and I just would always poke myself. So I decided I'm not going to offer them that way because it kind of hurts. So that's the first placeholder. And then I made a more fun placeholder because I feel like there's a lot of very aesthetic, minimal type stuff like this. And this is very easy to make too. But I decided to do something a little bit more fun, something more that felt like me. And I wanted to do some with some Monstera leaves. I actually have some, I have something in my system that with this pattern. So I made placeholders with a fun pattern. They're all made from matte vellum, so they're not shiny. And then they have, matte laminating sheets with vellum. So I have, this one's a little bit different though, this bundle. So this one is 500. Then I have a fully funded, because those are always nice to have on hand, and 1,000. And these say 1,000 in the bank, 500 in the bank. So I'm interested, I'm curious to see like which one will do better. Like, let me know which one you prefer. I'm really loving this one because I feel like it's different. I always want to add a little bit of color in mine, and I love green and I love Monstera leaves, so I'm loving that one. And then the last thing that I'm gonna offer is this other little bundle right here, featuring these cute little piggy banks that my sister drew. And more items like this will be coming, like more trackers, because I can get my sister to draw anything. She can draw anything. So I plan on doing more trackers, but this is the first one that I'm going to be offering. There are 3 trackers in here. There's a $5 challenge one, so you can save $120 with this tracker. There is a $10 challenge, so that's a $240 savings challenge on that one. And then this one's just a blank one, so you can make this any amount you want. If you want to do like them $20, if you want to do $2, you can make it whatever you want, and then just fill in, color in the cute little piggy banks. So yeah, same thing. I made everything the same size. So that way, again, it fits with the money right behind it, and it's like almost the same size. So these are the 3 bundles that I'm offering. Again, I'm gonna work on getting more stuff in my shop, but again, this is a small release, my first release, and I'm already kind of nervous about this, just like filling orders and doing that part. I didn't want to overload myself, so I feel like this is a good amount. So I hope you like what you see. I know a lot of you are excited about these wallets. I hope you like the colors. Let me know which color you like the most, so I can get an idea also for future orders, what I should be kind of more going towards when it comes to colors. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this little reveal of all the items that I'm going to be releasing today. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.